Breakfast. Yo, what? The world, it's not a plan. Here we go on, man. Hey, yo, franchise the chosen one, the 10-star general. You know it go already when I come to represent, you know a full effecting, don't it? You know it go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion bout ya. Watch this, man. You know the people's champion. Oh, you mean? You know a Gaza favorite, don't it? You know the most electrifying man pan YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Oh, no like me now. Me not tell you no say from Evelyn say the boy fish tea a flunky. Me never tell you no say my bathroom dread. Me never tell you no that boy they a shishki bag. That boy they a try violate Vibes Cartel and not diss up Lisa Hyper. The first man me see a trace a girl like a 10 tongue him off. Here we go on, say a big old worthless Rasta man who claim like say Vibes Cartel a long time him no see. A long time him not see no girl. And a long time him not use him brief knife and slice up no panty cake. Yes, we me deal with because him claim Vibes Cartel lock up in a number 2, sell in a prison. And them way that the boy a chat off him mouth, you know, trim there over England, you know. Hungry, you know, for my brethren them from Birmingham, you know. Send my video and show me the boy, you know, in a baby shower, you know. And in the baby shower full of girl, you know, and girl all make nice, you know, out of everybody, you know. Is a man hug up the boy and a pull off him Felucci, you know.
Lucci, you missed it.
Breakfast. Yo, breakfast in bed now.
Them girls are independent. Them work, them put the money.
And look like the boy squeeze him pan him testicle, be a skin him teeth, you know. And you see all the whole him drawers all the show, you know, when the boy hug him up and squeeze him pan him snot see, you know. So Gaza Nation, me need you know for share that video, you know. I make the whole of YouTube see this boy for where him is, you know, because I telling you him a do the peck, you know. Me telling you, you know, my shitty willy, you know, and I feel like a lollipop thing, you know. And the general, the 10-star one I represent in a full effect. So you know, watch what I go on and make sure you share it. You see what I deal with because we now make bathroom dread get where. Watch. Yo, a Gaza way, you know. Ain't no other way. 10-star, the chosen one. The most electrifying man pan YouTube entertainment business. Oh.